Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're just going to be doing day 2, look 2 with this beautiful Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. So you get 3 shimmers and 1 matte, which isn't a lot to play with, I know, but it is a really nice palette. I used that shade yesterday, that shade, and then this shade for the inner corner, but I do want to use both these on the lid just to see what they look like. So today we're going to go in with this beautiful, it's like a copper, but it really is kind of a unique colour. I think it would look really nice, especially with my hair colour, so we'll see if I'm right. So yeah, first of all though, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced chocolate bar and set my eyeshadow base. I've got the eyeshadow base in one. Guys, I'm just going to put it out that I am having a hell of a time with Look Fantastic. It's like customer service hell is what I'm going through. I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video, but I am really stressed. I will be doing another video after this dedicated to what the issues are, that one will be going up soon. That one's going to be going up in the next few days, and then when I find out more information I will update you regularly until it's been sorted out. But yeah, it's a complete mess and the customer service it's not good, guys. Never had a problem with them. I've only ordered 3 orders, so one was, gosh, it was back in 2015, 2016. One was more recently when my mum gave me some money for my birthday, and I ordered some things for my birthday in February. So they came fine, so she's managed to put them away for February for me. And then this new order has just come trashed, which I'm going to show you on camera. But yeah, if you haven't watched it by the time this goes up, I'm gonna leave a little card there, and I don't know what I'm gonna title it yet, but yeah, it's it might be worth a watch if you're thinking about ordering from Look Fantastic, and especially if you're thinking about ordering this specific palette. Right, so now then, where's that peach palette? So I'm going to have to go in with the same matte shade, so it's this shade again, this lovely peach. And where are you, brush? Right, so yeah, we're going to go in with a peach shade. Let's zoom in. Just all over the crease. So it's going to be another simple look. I said that yesterday and the video was like half an hour long. It's like, why is it so long? It's a simple eye look with 3 eyeshadows. It shouldn't take half an hour long, but as normal I'm getting chatting in there. So I'm going to try and make this one a lot less, because once I start talking I just can't shut up. Right, let's put some of this in the outer V as well. So today is Sunday as I'm filming this, and later on I'm going to my mum's for a really nice roast dinner. Yesterday we had KFC, so we've been having a lot of chicken lately. It was nice, the KFC, but the gravy was really runny. It wasn't, that part of it wasn't nice. And the best part of the KFC, in my opinion, is definitely the gravy, so I was a little bit disappointed there. Now I need to find the accent brush. But yeah, other than that, it was actually quite nice. Made a nice change having that. We do try and do it once a month. We don't try and eat junk that much, but once a month as a treat. Oh, this one is so pigmented. The peach yesterday wasn't this pigmented, if you've seen that video. This is a beautiful colour. I mean, I've probably got shades like this in the collection. But it's nice to have it in a palette. Right, and now we're going to spritz the brush. Yeah, you can definitely see it's more pigmented on this side. So in this case, spritzing the brush has made a difference. Sometimes it doesn't make that much of a difference. Right, and then I'm going to go in with this shade here again as a highlighter shade. Oh, got into the peach by mistake. And then I'm going to go back into this peach matte shade just for the lash line. Don't really have any other options because I don't want to use a shimmer on the lash line. Right, and then I'm going to go back into the Too Faced palette and just use that white chocolate shade again. And then I'm going to go in with a Too Faced Love eyeliner in Pitch Black. No, not Pitch Black, Perfect Black. Then we'll go in with the mascara that I'm using at the moment from Makeup Gallery. And then I am going to just blend it all out a little bit better with the BH Cosmetics. I don't know what number it is, it's just a fluffy brush. The right eye isn't too bad, it's the left eye that needs blending a little bit more than it is. My eyes are watering. So bad. The curse of having dry eyes. And not just dry eyes, dry sensitive eyes. I might go in with a little bit more of that peach shade on a fluffy brush. Yeah, that looks nice. Just a peach matte shade. yeah, happy with the eyes. I want to go with a lipstick that is as close to what's on the eyelid as possible, and I've got a Makeup Forever lipstick, and that will make the look quite autumnal, so I'm going to go and get that now. So it's just this one by Makeup Forever, like I've said. This one featured in my what's in my high-end lipstick rotating holder, and this one is the Rouge Artiste Intense in the shade 13. So I'm just wiping my lip gloss off, and let's go in and put some of this on. It's a beautiful colour, quite autumnal. So guys, this is the finished look. I really do like that lipstick. I've not had it on for a while. So this is the eyes. So they're looking quite smoky, which I like, and it doesn't look too summery in my opinion. It looks more kind of this season appropriate. It looks like something I would wear in autumn / winter, especially paired with this lipstick, whereas yesterday's look with them two looked more spring summer, and I'm really curious as to what that's going to look like all over the lid by itself tomorrow. The only problem with that is I'm not going to have an inner corner highlight. I might have to put the peach down as an inner corner highlight, but we'll get to that bridge tomorrow, and we'll see what we're going to do. But yes, so far so good with this palette. I am glad to have it. It could be a companion palette with another peach palette that I'm sure I've got in the collection. I'm sure I've got two, because I was going to declutter one if one worked out well. I just need to go through the collection excuse me, and see. But yeah, I'm really happy to have it. So yeah, one more look and then this can go away in the collection, and we can do my Shop My Stash for next week, which I'm really looking forward to. So thank you for watching today. It really does mean a lot that you've taken some time out of your day to watch. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Please share, and also please comment. Your comments mean the world to me. And again, thank you for watching. Bye guys.